Alright everyone, this is the warm-up problem I gave you last, so I'm going to go over it now. So, you're given some expressions for angle 1 and angle 2, and then you're told this angle is 60 degrees, and so what we want to do is find angles 1, 2, 3. We also are given these right angles, and that's good because notice that the angle at A is vertical, and notice the angle at C is vertical, which means consecutive interior are congruent. I mean, add to be 180. They are also congruent because 90 equals 90. And even if we didn't do that, these two right angles are consecutive exterior, and they add to be 180. So if we have consecutive angles that are supplementary, we know BA is parallel to EC. Which is helpful because if you look at the transversal BD, angle 1 is also that angle because of alternate interior. So this is also angle 1. And now we see that we have a linear pair with angle 1 and angle 2. And so now we can solve this problem. Now I should be putting the little m's in front of it, but we're not going to worry about that. So now we solve this problem. And we get x is 30. Alright, so if x is 30, now we can replace the x here with 30, and so then the measurement of angle 1 would be 2 times 30 plus 10, and the measurement of angle 2 would be 5 times 30 minus 40. Okay, so then the measurement of angle 1 is what, 70? And the measurement of angle 2 is 150 minus 40, 110. What about angle 3? Well, angle 3 is vertical to that lower angle in this triangle BDA. So we know this is angle 3. And now once again we got the sum of the interior angles in the triangle, which would be 180. We already know angle 4 is 60. We just found out that angle 1 was 70. And so for the triangle ABD, we can write angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 3 equals 180. And again, I should be putting the measurements, the little m's, but we're not going to worry about that. Well, angle 1 is 70. Angle 4 is 60. Again, we're told angle 4 is 60. We're told we found out angle 1 was 70 once we found for x. And so now we can solve this to get angle 3. So angle 3 is also 70. How about that? Which, interestingly enough, means this is an isosceles triangle. Now, is that isosceles automatically? Or is that just because angle 4 happened to be the right angle to make that happen? And that's really what the second extra question is. If we didn't know what angle 4 was, could we find angle 3? Because angle 4 could be anything. The only thing we know is that these two angles would be vertical. And since we can already establish the BA is parallel to EC because of these right angles, that means, again, alternate interior, this would be the same as angle 3, and this would be the same as angle 4. So since this relationship is always true, angle 1 and angle 2 are going to still be 70 and 110. But angle 3 will only be the same as angle 1 if angle 4 is 60. And that's because if angle 4 is not 60, this won't become 110, and so we won't get 70. So we can't guarantee that's isosceles. So if we don't know anything about angle 4, we can't really say anything about angle 3. That's what I got when I was thinking about it. Okay, y'all, I'm going to send y'all today's problem in a moment.